I can understand that I have a gross body, but what is the subtle body? How can I understand that I have one? Very nice question, Mr. Hanley. So, gross body and subtle body. So, you say that you have understand about the gross body, you understand the gross body, but what is the subtle body? Your gross body is this body that we all have. This gross body is made of 5 gross elements like earth, water, fire, air and ether. Earth means solid, water means liquid, fire, air and ether. So these are the 5 elements, and with these 5 elements our material bodies are made. That you have understood, the gross body. But beyond that 5 gross elements, there are 3 subtle elements in this nature. Those 3 subtle elements are mind, intelligence and false ego. In Sanskrit, they are called man, buddhi and ahankar. Mind, intelligence and false ego. So to simplify this concept, let's consider that is just mind. Those 2 other factors are along with that, but for our convenience, we just say the subtle body, identify the subtle body with the mind. But with these 3 elements, we have a body. And say for example, our mind is there, our intelligence is there, our false ego is there. These 3 elements are there that we can experience, that they are there. And with these 3 elements, we have a body. Just as with these 5 elements, we have the gross body, with the 3 elements, we have the subtle body. And beyond the subtle body, there is the soul, the spirit soul. And it's the spirit soul that is functioning through these 2 bodies, generating consciousness. Our consciousness is projected by the soul onto the subtle body. And then from the subtle body, through the nervous system, the consciousness is coming into the gross body, and that's how the gross body is becoming conscious. So you're asking, how do we understand that we have a subtle body? Okay, good question. When we are awake, both the gross body and subtle body are awake. But when you fall asleep, then the gross body is not functioning. Gross body is asleep. But still we dream. And when we dream, in the dream, we have our identity. When I am dreaming, I am there in my dream. I see things are happening to me. And that is the subtle body. And that identity is experiencing, is conscious, but it has a body. It is containing my identity. I am there, I am seeing. Say, a tiger is attacking me and I'm feeling afraid. And then at some point, the both gross body and subtle body become inactive. That is the state of dreamless sleep. So we have 3 states that way. When both the gross and subtle bodies are awake, then we call it wakeful state. When the gross body is non-functional, but subtle body is awake, then we call it a dream state. And when both the bodies are inactive, then that is a state of deep sleep. So I hope I've been able to clarify or explain what the subtle body is, as you asked, and how do we understand that we have a subtle body? Yes, in our dream, I recognize that I have a subtle body because I am there in my dream. Thank you very much.